You ever sit there at night, staring at your phone and think, maybe I should try dating again? And you start thinking, I'm 50, half my hair's gone, half my energy's gone, and everyone online looks like they just walked out of a gym commercial. But then you remember, dating ain't the same anymore. Now it's profiles, apps, algorithms, like you're applying for a job just to talk to someone. So you sit there, thumb hovering over the screen, trying to decide if you should make that first profile. Then another thought hits you. Maybe it's not about being young. Maybe it's just about not wanting to be alone forever.
Yeah, boy.
Because starting over at 50 feels terrifying, but doing nothing feels worse. Dating again at 50, too late, or just getting started? Comment below.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.